Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you that how you can clear protection history in Windows Defender on Windows 11 computers. So the first step is that you should go to this PC and navigate to the drive where your operating system is installed and search for program data folder. If it's not visible, you can go to view option and go to show and navigate to hidden items, click on it. So here it is, go to program data folder, then Microsoft, and scroll down and go to Windows Defender folder, then navigate to scans folder, then history folder. In history folder, at last you have to move to service folder. These are the files which are actually the protection history files of the Windows Defender. You just have to select all of them and delete them. So this is the way how you can clear the protection history of Windows Defender in Windows 11 computer. So that's all. I hope you understood it. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for further informative and quick tutorials. Take care. Goodbye.